Presenting the 2011 Ford Explorer. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle:
Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.